Come here.
Sorry, bro. Don't touch me. I'm sorry. Don't get angry with me. I'm a citizen here. Okay. Very simple.
Okay.
This so-called whatever lah. Okay. Very simple. Okay. 1, 2, 1. All very simple My IC clean. I'm a resident here. I'm a resident here. I going back home. You stop me No problem. Clean not?
帮我做一个东西 search
search你 search what lah? You search what? Simple lah. You want take out Want take out or not? Search search. Take. No, take. Search lah. Take. Search lah. No, search. You search lah. You think I don't know Chinese Search. Very simple, search lah. Search. Search lah. Search. I go home also you want to stop me like that Okay, search. Come on lah, okay. Search.
Put
What
down your
have?
phone on the car, put down your bag. Put down your phone and put down your bag.
Put down my phone and put down my bag I won't put down my phone lah.
I'm going to put down a search on you. I reserve your corporation now. Please put down your items so that I can conduct a search on you.
For what? What you suspect me of to search me?
I have every right to make a check on you.
You have every right. Check me now. Very
Put down
simple.
your items, please cooperate with me.
Okay, I cooperate with you. Put here. Everything I put. My cigarette, my SIM card, everything I put. You check lah. No problem.
I also need you to stand against the car. I'm going to make a search on you now.
Yeah, no problem. You want me to take my friends?
Don't need, it's okay.
Okay, then check me. No problem. Check me. No, check me.
Yeah, I'm conducting a search on you. Please put down all your items on the car.
I no gun lah, bro.
I never say it.
It's Singapore lah. What I have? Nothing. Yeah. I going home, I going home. Then you want to. Okay. Got anything or not? Check my bag. Check my bag. This woman must check.